bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Making vanilla extract at home is surprisingly straightforward and requires just 2 ingredients: vanilla beans and alcohol. Here's a simple guide. 1. Split 3 to 5 vanilla beans lengthwise to expose the seeds. 2. Place the split beans into a glass bottle or jar. 3. Pour about 8 ounces of alcohol. Vodka is a popular choice for its neutral flavor over the beans, ensuring they are fully submerged. 4. Seal the jar and store it in a cool, dark place. 5. Shake the jar once a week and allow it to infuse for at least 8 weeks. The longer it sits, the stronger the flavor. Homemade vanilla extract is a cost-effective, flavorful addition to your baking arsenal.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.